10 student. Now I'm going to start the next topic of chapter polynomial, that is remainder theorem. You can see here what is remainder theorem. Let fx be a polynomial. If fx be a polynomial which have degree greater than equal to 1, suppose we have a polynomial who has degree greater than equal to 1, let a be any real number when fx is divided by x minus a. If fx is a polynomial when it divided by x minus a, then the remainder is fa. Then remainder will be fa. It will not be clear without example, so we'll take one example. Suppose you have given here, find the remainder when polynomial fx is equal to x to the power 4 2x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 1 is divided by x minus 2. So when fx divided by x minus 2, what will be the remainder? In this case, first we will just make x minus 2 equal to 0, so x equal to 2. Now put the value of 2 in the given polynomial. So at the place of x, we will put x equal to 2. It will become f of 2 is equal to 2 to the power 4, 2 into 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square plus 2 minus 1. So 2 to the power 4, 16. 2 to the 4 to the 16 minus 2 to the 4 to the 12 plus 2 minus 1. When solve, get 21. So 21 is the remainder. This will be the remainder. This will be the remainder if fx is divided by x minus 2. Now see one more example. Question is, check whether the polynomial px is multiple of 2x plus 1. If px is the multiple of this, it means that px is completely divided by 2x plus 1. अगर मैं बोलूँ कि 8 is the multiple, 8 is multiple of 2, so 2 will completely divide 8. It means remainder will become 0, right? So it means when we make 2x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1 upon 2, right? So when we put minus 1 upon 2 in the given polynomial, the whole polynomial will become 0. It means remainder is 0. When remainder is 0, it means 2x plus 1 completely divide this. So this will be the multiple of this. Same way, we can say that 2x plus 1 is the factor of this. When x equal to minus 1 upon 2, put in the px and will become 0, right? So put x equal to minus 2 in the given polynomial. So 4 into minus 1 upon 2 x cube, at the place of x it put minus 1 upon 2 cube plus 4 into minus 1 upon 2 square minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. At the place of x we'll put x equal to minus 1 upon 2. What we will get, minus 1 upon 2 will become 4 into 2 to the 4 to the 8 minus 4 upon 8. This will become 2 to the 4, 4 upon 4. This will become plus 1 upon 2 and minus 1. This 4 to the 1, 1 minus 1 upon 2, my plus 1 upon 2 cancel. 4 1 ja 4, 1 minus 1, 0. You can see that remainder become 0. It means that 2x plus 1 is the, so it means that px be the multiple of 2x plus 1. It means so px, so it will be px is multiple of 2x plus 1, correct? Remainder is 0, so px will be the multiple of 2x plus 1.